Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we only using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. We only using one account because you guys are just starting. You want to try this out, see if it works or not before you really invest into it. All right, guys? So I'm just showing you just the absolute laziest way to make money online, guys. Now, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, the reason why I like promoting the $25 business in particular, guys. This works with any program, but this is the one I personally like promoting because it has 80% recurring commission, guys. That means you get paid every single month once you get a seller into the system. That means you don't really have to focus on getting a ton of sales. You just focus on getting people into the system. And I've gotten a lot of people in the system and I'm making a lot of money. I'm not necessarily making as many sales, a ton of sales, but I'm still making a bunch of money because I got a lot of people in the system still. All right, guys, so let's get it going here. First thing we're gonna do here, guys, is refresh the page and show you the results I made yesterday. All right, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine because we did get a rebill of $100, which is better, honestly. But yeah, as you can see, like I'm getting these big $100 payouts from sales I made last time, and it's really adding up and really helping me out here. But guys, yeah. So what we're gonna do here, guys, is first thing first, you need to get your affiliate link. We're finna start now. Get your affiliate links here. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that step by step. All right. So first thing first, you want to come to my video here. All right. You just scroll down to the description. You open up the description, guys. Once you open up the description, click on this right here. Step 1, IncomeSpeech.com sales. Right. You click on this right here. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here. And once you're on this page here, it's just basically just going to explain like how much money you can make, the $25 business, everything you need to know about the $25 business, all that good stuff. And you can make a lot of money doing this. And that's all it really is about it. But once you finish doing that, right, you decide you want to try this out. Just click on yes on access. Click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here where you put in all your information that you want to put in, right? You just put in your information, all that, card number, all that good stuff. Also click on this as well, the 14-day free test drive for the premium. All right, guys, so it's still gonna be $25 even if you get this as well. Now the difference, the main reason, now what this is traffic. It teaches you how to promote traffic and all that good stuff and set up ads and stuff like that. And it's constantly updated. So yeah, I would get this anyway, but the main reason that I get this product as well, guys, is because you have to own the product to get commissions for the product. That's the one rule that they have. You have to, for these super high affiliate commissions, like these commission 80% recurring is absolutely unheard of, but they just have this rule here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, most systems that have recurring commissions have this rule. You have to have the product to make commissions from it. But yeah, that's the one rule they have. And it's you don't want to miss any sales, guys. All right, you might get real big sales. Like I missed a sale earlier because I did not have a product in the system, and I kind of felt bad about it, and I bought a product right afterwards, you know. Anyway, once you do that, guys, it's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. Well, you just, you log in, you do all your stuff, you make your account, and then you just log in. And it's gonna take you to a page that looks something like this. Focus on the top here, not what's down here. And what you want to do up here, you want to click on the affiliate zone. I'm already there, but that's what you do, guys. And when you get to the affiliate zone, you're gonna get to a page that looks something like this. Now once you do this, also it's videos explaining all of this, guys, so you don't have to worry about keeping up with me. There's plenty of videos explaining exactly how to do this, very, very simply. All right, very, very slowly and stuff. I'm just kind of speed running through it a little bit. So once you do that, you want to sign up to the affiliate program here. That's what you want to click on. It's going to take you to this page here. You quickly put in your information for that, sign up for the affiliate link here, get your affiliate links. Very basic information, very simple. You know how to do it. And then you log into the sound card, which is going to take you back to this page here where I started at the beginning here. And that's where you got all your links. Now you got all your links, guys. See what I'm saying? Now this is the link that I personally use every single time. This is the one that works for me. You could try all the links if you want. This is the one that works for me. The reason I use this link because it promotes 2 recurring commission products. All right, that's the reason why I like using this link. So once you do that, all right, guys, you're gonna come back to my page here. Once you come back to my video description, here, you're gonna see my lead gen secrets here. Now once you do that, you want to click on iDigi MLGS. You want to click on that. All right, guys, you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page here. Once you're on this page here, basically the dude, if you want to watch the video, you can. Basically what the dude's going to talk about is what the My Lead Gen Secrets is, and at the end of the day, you get 100 leads every single day, every day, that you can email once per day. All right, guys, so you can't overload them with emails. And the best part about it is that these leads are interested in making money online, so they are perfect for the product that we are promoting, because that's what it's all about. You see what I'm saying? And yeah, so you gonna make your account. I'm gonna log in real quick. Okay, log in. Sometimes you have to log in twice. But anyway, once you get into the system here, you're gonna be in here. Now you got your leads. You can check out your leads if you wish. Not gonna click on them right here. It shows a lot of value, a lot of information that probably can get me in trouble. So you can click on mouse the email swipes if you wish to. You have some email swipes that they wrote themselves, but I'm gonna show you my email swipes, so you don't really need them, but you can get them if you want to. But yeah, mailing system. I'm gonna show you my email swipes that got me my sales. So once you come into here, you're gonna click on this, all your leads right there. You see I got 53,000. You're probably gonna have like 100 when you first start, guys. Now understand something. Most people have multiple accounts, so they have most people have multiple accounts, usually running up to about 10 accounts. I'm using just one for this. Now if I open up some more accounts, I'll probably make a lot more money, but I just want to show you guys the beginner start of this stuff. And don't worry about how many leads you have, because I've had smaller accounts do way better sometimes. So, and because these are random people, you got to understand, these are random people that are interested in making money online. So you can do better with smaller accounts sometimes, and you can do worse with bigger accounts. It just depends. It's simply a numbers game. You know what I mean? So the more leads you have, the more likely you are to get a sale. But I'm just saying. So anyway, guys, we're gonna send us an email here. Let's keep on building. We're gonna send a day 9 of me making. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. Day 9 of me making recurring income, not always good. Okay, that's the one we're gonna do. We're gonna send that. It's day 9. This is important reality. Okay, you just copy my video here. You could just pause the video, copy the title here, then pause the video, copy this here, guys. All right, so pause the video, copy that. Pause the video, copy that, guys. Pause the video and copy that. That's the whole email there. All right, that's the whole email. You put your link right here, guys. Very simple. You just click on this right here. You know how to put in a link. I'm pretty sure you know how to put in a link. But once you do that, you hit perfect timing. You can put a picture in there if you want to. It's not necessary. I just do it because I think it works better. I don't know. But once you do that, guys, Fit in all your information. Make sure to hit perfect timing if I said that already. What perfect timing does in general is it tells people it sends the email around the time people check their emails. You know what I mean? So for example, you check your emails around 8 o'clock in the morning every day, you're gonna send an email around 8 o'clock in the morning every day. So there's a better chance of you checking it out, them checking it out, seeing the email if they get a bunch of emails. You know what I mean? So anyway, you want to preview your link and make sure your link works. Once you do that, you send an email and you're done. It's all set, finito, you finished. All right, guys, that's all it takes. Very, very simple, very easy process. All right, guys, so like I stated before, if you're interested in following along, please subscribe. Only 20% of you guys are subscribed. Please subscribe, help us out, get these numbers up. Help make more people some money here. Very easy way. At least some just a little, pay a bill or two. At least that, you know what I mean? And make some money like that. There's no reason for people not to do this to make money, guys. It works for me, it'll work for you. I promise you, I'm not special. All right, guys, so yeah, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye, have a beautiful time.